Hi, my name is Obi Amarola. I'm a pulmonary and critical care physician at UCLA, and I'm excited to share CranioView with you today. CranioView improves intracranial pressure monitoring and reduces costs of care by leveraging non-invasive imaging technology at the bedside. Why is measuring intracranial pressure important? Our bodies regulate the pressure around the brain to protect its function. Traumatic brain injury and large strokes, which affect 3.3 million patients annually in the United States, can lead to brain swelling, which increases the pressure in the skull. Since the skull cannot expand to accommodate this swelling, the important structures in the brain are compressed by the increasing pressure. As this pressure continues to rise, patients begin to lose neurologic function, and if not detected promptly, this can lead to death. CranioView provides an alternative to ventriculostomy placement, an invasive procedure that carries significant risks of bleeding and infection by incorporating ultrasound technology into a portable, hands-free headset. Our device requires minimal skill and setup to obtain the necessary images to accurately measure intracranial pressure. As a non-invasive alternative, CranioView expands access to intracranial pressure monitoring to patients who otherwise cannot safely receive a ventriculostomy. The machine learning algorithm at the core of our product enables quick and efficient data processing, enhances diagnostic accuracy, and ensures that the product improves over time. CranioView is designed for seamless integration into existing workflows and prioritizes actionable information for clinicians at the point of care. Our core team is composed of clinicians and engineers who have spent thousands of hours partnering with neurocritical care and software experts to develop a solution to this unmet need. In addition to our initial funding from the UCLA Biodesign program, we are currently supported by a research grant awarded to Dr. Oland and are actively pursuing funding through various innovation programs locally and nationally. We could not have done this without the support of the innovation ecosystem here at UCLA. We welcome feedback from members of the community to continuously improve on our product. If you're interested in connecting with us, please visit our website to learn more. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.
I'm Dr. Alexandra Stavrakis, an orthopedic joint replacement surgeon at UCLA, and I'm thrilled to tell you about how my team at Ortheos is changing the way that patients experience their total joint replacement surgery. Within the last 3 years, there has been a dramatic change in the reimbursement structure from fee-for-service to bundle payment model, which has completely altered the demands being put on providers and healthcare systems. In the past, the surgical team was required to focus almost exclusively on what was happening with their surgery. But with the bundle payment model, they are now being pushed into the seemingly impossible task of providing coordinated care for patients from well before their surgery to their post-surgical recovery. Throughout this journey, cost accumulates, with the average cost of a joint replacement in the US being around $35,000. This wasn't an issue in the fee-for-service era, but when the target bundle price that Medicare believes is appropriate is less than $20,000 per procedure, a major cost discrepancy emerges, which leaves health systems continuously in the red. Welcome to the new world of joint replacement surgery powered by Ortheos. At Ortheos, we are using a combination of wearable sensors and a mobile engagement platform to help patients better prepare, experience, and recover from knee and hip replacement surgery. Partnered with the mobile platform are UCLA-developed wearable sensors that are used throughout the surgical journey. In the preoperative time period, patients are trained on important physical therapy exercises and guided through these exercises to help with strength training of key muscle groups. In the postoperative time period, patients are guided through the same exercises, and also ambulation and other key metrics are tracked. Woven through the Ortheos platform are features that we have broken into 3 distinct categories, which are key to patient success: physical, mental, and social, which we translated to body, mind, and community. These 3 aspects highlight the 3 most important high-level groupings of activities that are crucial for success during the patient's episode of care. Ortheos provides a unique machine learning risk assessment algorithm that detects patient-specific modifiable factors to improve outcomes. For example, if Mr. Jones here on the left needs a knee replacement, it will detect what key characteristics may put him at risk for complications and help make improvements. He will be provided with virtual physical therapy. The UCLA-developed sensor technology will help objectively track his progress and provide his care team with updates. Recently, several papers have been published associating mental well-being with patient outcomes following joint replacement surgery. surgery. Orthios will provide mental health screening tools and appropriate educational modules in an engaging way to help patients with stress and anxiety reduction before and after their surgery. Several recent studies have also shown that social factors are one of the most important predictors for joint replacement surgery outcomes and cost drivers. Orthios will engage not only the patient, but also the support team around them to help friends and family involved best help the patient prepare for surgery. This will ensure that patients feel more comfortable and prepared leaving the hospital and going home rather than to a skilled nursing facility. We aim to create a comprehensive data set that combines subjective and objective data throughout the entire care continuum to help industry partners better understand their customers. I appreciate your time and thank you for being a part of Orthios' journey to transform the total joint replacement experience.
Hello, everyone. My name is Marcus Gowdy, and I'm one of the co-founders of Protean Surgical Instruments, a medical device company developing an innovative catheter technology for interventional neurovascular procedures. Neurovascular diseases such as stroke and brain aneurysms can have devastating long-term consequences for patients and represent the #1 cause of permanent disability in the US. Interventional neuroradiology has revolutionized the way we manage these diseases. Under X-ray imaging, guide wires and multi-catheter systems are used to navigate through a patient's blood vessels to deliver treatment at a specific location in the cerebral vasculature. The combination of an aging US population, new imaging techniques, and improved outcomes from advances in medical technologies makes neurovascular devices an emerging area for innovation. Neurovascular catheters are the fastest growing segment within neurovascular devices, with a 9.8% annual growth rate and projected to reach $500 million by 2023. Currently, a majority of interventional neuroradiology procedures are performed using a small incision at the groin to gain access to the femoral artery. An alternative approach is to use the radial artery at the wrist. This was initially popularized by interventional cardiology, when large comparison studies showed that radial artery access reduced complications, enabled faster patient recovery, and decreased overall healthcare costs. Despite these benefits, interventional neuroradiology has been extremely limited in their ability to transition to this new technique, as the path from the radial artery to the brain is filled with many sharp turns that are extremely difficult to maneuver past using current catheter systems. In fact, among the 200,000 neurovascular interventions that are done in the US each year, approximately 10% of cases use radial artery access, compared to 40 to 50% in interventional cardiology. If interventional neuroradiology utilized radial artery access at similar rates, the healthcare system has the potential to save $250 million annually. Here is how the Protean guide catheter will facilitate a radial approach. The catheter is inserted at the radial artery and advanced to the aortic arch. Once in the arch, the soft robotic portion of the catheter can be activated, orienting the tip of the catheter towards the target vessel, increasing the stiffness of the catheter at this bend and allowing for the passage of the guide wire. Once the guide wire is securely in place, the catheter can be softened and tracked up into the target vessel. Each member of the Protean team has worked directly within the medical device industry, and we have a deep understanding of the challenges associated with bringing a product to market. Our advisory board includes industry veterans whose combined experience has covered the entire spectrum of medical device development, from ideation to acquisition. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions or for more information, please contact us at the email below. Thank you.